So today we're going to calculate ETA passing international dateline as requested by our followers. So our given is we're coming from Philippines, 12 o'clock local time. The date is today, 11 of November, 2025. So our ETA to Los Angeles, because we're going to pass through international dateline, the distance is 4750 nautical miles and the speed is 15 knots. Okay? So we're going to put it here in our equation, 4750 nautical miles divided by 15 nautical mile per hour. So we're going to cancel and the answer will be 316.67 hours. Now we're going to divide it by 24. Answer will be 13.20 days. So, tandaan, 1 day is 24 hours. And after that, we're going to convert the 0.20. So, yung 0.20 day na yan. Ito times nyo sa 24. So, the answer will be 4.8 hours. So, matira 4 hours dito. So, the 0.8 will be multiplied by 60. And this will be the minute. So the total steaming time going to Los Angeles is 13 days, 4 hours, and 48 minutes. Okay? And we're going to apply that in our local time. So the local time will be 11 November 2025 at 12 o'clock local time. First method in calculating passing through IDL with our ETA is to convert first the local time into UTC. So we're going to apply the zone description minus 8 of the Philippines here. And so the answer will be 11 November 2025 at 0400 UTC. Okay? And after, we're going to apply this steaming time with 13 days and 0448 hours. So the answer will be 24 November 2025 at 0848 UTC. Now, we're going to Los Angeles. We're going to apply the zone description for Los Angeles. ZD plus 7. But the rule is reverse sign in application for the local time. So this will be minus 7. So the answer will be 0148 local time. So our ETA to Los Angeles. Okay, is on 14 of November, 24th of November. (0148) local time. Alright, so that is one step.